Welcome to Gubba Garden Sheds. In this video, I'll explain some of the key features of one of our top ranges of shed, Duratuf Kiwi. This extensive range covers from small 2 square metre lockers right up to full-size 18 square metre workshops. However, 10 square metres is still the most popular size. Durable and tough, earning the Duratuf name. Made to order here in NZ, featuring thick gauge steel with a 30-year cladding warranty. Here is a fine example, the Mark II, one of our most popular mid-sized sheds. One feature we are often asked for is timber framing. You can see this is fully framed with treated timber throughout, providing strength and versatility. Add an optional workbench or toolboard. Screw in hooks for bikes or tools. Add shelving or line it with ply and organise it your way. Another handy feature is sliding doors. These come as standard on the Duratuf Kiwi range. They don't need to be latched open in the wind and don't swing out, saving valuable room in a tight space. There's nothing worse than a leaky shed. Roofing screws with washers, gutter channels, box corner flashings, and most importantly, the cladding extends below the flooring level, all ensuring water doesn't get in. Kiwi backyards come in all shapes and sizes. So the Duratuf Kiwi range is configurable and made to your order. Change colours, add a floor kit, windows, skylights, extra height, add or move doors, add security upgrades, and more to get the perfect shed for your space. The shed you order then comes as a kit set that we can deliver and install at your place, or you can pick up and DIY. There's heaps more I could show you, but it may be quicker to check out the other features on our website, where you can configure your shed and order online. But if you want to take an even closer look, come and see us at 4 Parkhead Place, Rosedale on Auckland's North Shore. We have a shed load of sheds.